Hi, it's Kevin Connors with BidIllinoisForeclosures.com. Today we're going to go over some features on the auction page. First, once you log in, click on Auction List, and here's our auction list page. We're going to start off by looking for properties on Monday, so we're just going to view only Monday's properties. And here's everything coming up for Monday. Our search bar here, everything is sortable, so you can sort it by city, starting bid, property type, whatever you like. Let's go by city. So we'll click on sort by city, and we have Algonquin, Aurora, Bridgeview, Burbank, Chicago. If you click on details on any of these properties, you'll get a basic idea what the property looks like. You'll get a map view. You can get a bird's eye view and a Google Street View. So in case you don't have time to drive to the property, you want to get a feel for the area, you just kind of scroll around. You can go down the street if you want. You can look at the houses. Also on the right side here, there's a Chicago violation lookup. So you type in the address, and if there's any violations on the property, it'll tell you. So if you know you're going to have a little heads up if there's problems with the city or not. And just basic details on the properties, defendants, loan amounts, banks, all that good stuff. If you want, you can search properties by map also. There it goes. Alright, so say you wanted to see something. Depends on what area you want. I mean, if you like Chicago and you want to see something in Oak Park, here's everything in Oak Park for Monday. So just click on, look at addresses and click. And there you go, 5424 Ferdinand. That looks like it's probably a condo. And there's no starting bid yet. So what we would do is you can just submit a bid for $1, and we will do the research on the property, and I will contact you with what the values are, if there's any liens, all that good stuff. Let's go back to 728. 728. Here you can also change your boundaries. So say you want all of Chicago. You would like to do, well, say you want this whole area, because we are going to be statewide soon. Say we want all the Indiana, Joliet. Click OK. And then next page is my bids. Everything you bid on will be on this page. It'll go from newest to oldest. So here's everything we bid on. Here's a recent one for Skylar. There's two bids on it. It is not sold yet. If it's a green checkered flag, you are in the races. You are bidding. If you are a black checkered flag, you've been outbid in the system already. So you may want to change your bid. Here's one that's sold. We may have bought it. $23,000. It's sold for. Our bid was $23,000. Here's one that's not showing my bid for some reason. It's sold for $44,000 at the auction. This is right by Midway Airport. This is excellent area. It's changed quickly, so it's definitely for the better, and somebody hopefully will do well with that property. Another option here is, say you want to save listings, so you just want Chicago. I only want to buy properties in Chicago. So you can click Save Search. And now every time a property in your area comes up new on the auction list, you're going to get an email for it. and then you can see a copy of your save listings by clicking on save listings. And it was probably search 8 is what I probably just did. So everything that on my recent search will pop up under that button. And that's about it. I'm going to show you on the next video on how to pull auction comps. Auction comps are going to be excellent. You can pretty much see what stuff's going for at the auction and give you an idea what you're going to have to bid to get a property. Pretty neat feature, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.